This dance is called If You Believe. 32 count, 4 walls, and there are 2 tags. So let me show you section 1. Section 1, starting with your right foot. Walk, walk, rocking chair. Walk, walk, rocking chair. Rock forward, tap behind, back, lock, step. Back, lock, step. This is section 1. Let me do with the count. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Continue section 2. Half turn shuffle. Shuffle half turn. Step pivot half turn. Step forward. Do 2 Dorothy step. Diagonal, lock, diagonal. Diagonal, lock, diagonal. So section 2 with the count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. So now we do section 3. Side rock recover, step side. Side, recover, step side. So this is section 3. Side, recover, step side. Do a twist to the right and the left using your heel. Twist, twist. After you twist, do a back recover side. Continue a sailor quarter turn with a heel. Sailor quarter turn, heel. So section 3. Rock, recover, step side, twist, twist, rock back, recover, step, and sailor quarter turn to your left. Sailor turn with the heel. So now with the count. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So now last section, section 4. Step down, cross, behind, side, cross. Side cha-cha, side cha-cha. Rock, recover, behind, side, forward and touch. I show you section 4 again. Heel, it ended section 3 with a heel. And 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Show you one more time. And 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is section 4. Let me show you the whole dance with count. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this dance has 2 tags. Let me show you the first tag, which is at wall 2, end of wall 2. And you are facing chapel drop. So the first tag is walk, walk, forward mambo, back, back, back coaster. So with the count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the first tag. Second tag, you are actually facing 6 o'clock. But let me show you facing 12. Second tag is end of wall 7. So you go out, out, back. Do a coaster step with a hold. Coaster step. Hold. Hold 2 count. And you start the dance by end. So with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and. and you start the dance. Walk, walk, rocking chair.